Amazon Textract is an AI service that performs more than optical character recognition on PDFs and images. It analyzes documents and identifies relationships within detected text. To help you ramp up quickly on the expense analysis feature, let me give you a walkthrough of expense analysis demo provided by Textract. Let's get started. You can see that Textract has loaded a sample receipt for us to see. The receipt has items such as strawberries, brown ale, milk, and eggs. Receipt was generated by a Whole Foods store from New York City. Note that Analyze Expense API of Textract provides us both summary as well as line item fields. In summary field, note that Textract was able to identify Whole Foods as vendor, entire address of store as vendor address, and a phone number. Note how Textract extracted net sales, tax, and total value directly from the receipt. Let's see individual line items. We can see individual line items along with total price. It doesn't look like Textract missed any line item at all. Textract lets you sort results by price or by item name, in case you want to cross-check the receipt. If you want to review Textract's result offline, you can click the Download Results button and download the output to your computer. Analyze Expense API also supports analyzing invoice. If you are following along, I recommend pausing and trying out Invoice Sample or uploading your own receipt or an invoice. Check out AWS SDK samples to learn how to invoke Analyze Expense API via AWS CLI or via code. Textract also provides Start Expense Analysis API if you want to do this task in an asynchronous manner. Congratulations! You just learned how to use Amazon Textract to analyze expense documents. Thanks for watching. Check out AWS certification books, linked in pinned comment, and suggest us topics for videos.